So what is up guys, this is Luke once again and welcome back to LDGaming. So as you may have seen by the title of this video, we will be building yet another PC. But this time around, from ATX, we'll be jumping to the smaller ones, the cuter ones, the more efficient ones, and the more, the more pricier ones at some point. So we'll be jumping from ATX to the MATX ones. So without further ado, let's jump into this.
LDGaming.
So yeah, there we go. It's complete guys. And let's now see how F1 turned out in the dark. So it's my first time building, in this case, the Deepcool Macube 110, and I didn't expect that it's gonna be this easy of a build, knowing that I have been building on ATX mid-tower and full-size ATX cases, but this time around we utilize the MATX platform. So it's a bit of it's not the small form factor, but it's like the really small ones. But this one is relatively small compared to the ones that I build and the one that I'm using. For example, I'm using the Cougar Panzer case, the one with the carbon fiber. So it's a bit this is like half or even a third of the size of that. And knowing that, like, first is that I struggled a bit on the space space in between. For example, I expected the fans and the motherboard, the space in between would be like, it's so small, like it's very very small, but it didn't seem like that. The case was really spacious inside, and it was really fun to work with, easy to work with, which is very very good for building for a PC case, because it allows, one, for better airflow, two, you enjoy building, and three, you get more variety of parts to choose from when building with this case or this form factor. So yeah, kudos to Deepcool for making their case, their Macube 110, a very good MATX case. Please subscribe to LDGaming, and I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a like. If you don't, you know what to do. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.